Aave might fall 11.1% by April 17, according to Gov Capital Collector. To begin, here's a snapshot of the market movement. Aave has risen 6.8% in the past 24 hours and is trading right around $106.84. Here come the analysts' daily predictions. Tomorrow, Gov Capital Collector expects the asset to trade around $95, down by 11.1%. Aave is expected to reach $103 per coin codex, marking a decline of around 3.6%. According to digital coin price, it might push down toward $105.30, a potential decrease close to 1.4%. Another prediction by 30 Rates expects Aave may climb to $108, roughly 1.1% above now. And lastly, CoinDAFlow targets $125.18 by April 17, which would mean a gain of 17.2%. This is the highest yielding forecast in this lineup. The analyst views are clear. Let's take the next step. Forecasts reviewed. Here's what each implies in figures. From the variety of predictions provided, the price change could span from a decline of 11.1% to a rise of 17.2%, depending on the analyst. It's clear that CoinDAFlow expects the highest return with 17.2% gain in value by April 17. By the look of it, you could walk away with between $11 and $172 for every $1,000 you invest. Looking at probabilities, 30 Rates' forecast ranks as the strongest, with a 92.3% chance of success. Out of all the forecasts presented, I've shaped one single consensus overview. Consensus expectations put Aave at approximately $107.30. Now let's go through the numbers. The consensus average implies a 0.4% increase by tomorrow. Put another way, your capital could also increase by around 0.4%. A 1,000 investment might show a return of about $4 under this forecast. This consensus view is linked to a chance of about 94.4% of materializing. Let's briefly shift to the 3-day horizon and see what analysts project. Gov Capital Collector sees Aave losing ground. According to CoinCodex, the short-term direction points upward. Digital coin price expects the chart to tilt downward. 30 Rates sees an upward move ahead. Similarly, CoinDAFlow expects Aave to rise over the next few days. Looking at all the views combined, the consensus indicates Aave is expected to follow an upward path in the near term. In short, most analysts express an upward view, pointing to Aave strengthening across this horizon. 5 forecasts were given 2 days ago. Today, we'll see how they aligned with the outcome. In the end, yesterday's move brought the price to $105.54. In the end, just one forecast was accurate on the trend. If accuracy is the key factor, Traders Union ranked first. Now let's sort it out. 2 forecasts stayed inside the span of the daily candle. For Aave, multiple analysts ended in the green, and the maximum return recorded was 1.9%. Here's the fact-check summary. All performance data in one place. Across the results, Traders Union recorded accuracy, 87.5% forecast probability, and 1.9% ROI. Study the table for a moment and see who performed strongest. Let's move on and check how tomorrow's predicted income compares for Aave and other selected assets. According to forecasts, Aave stands 5th, while Zcash holds first with 5.5%. This comparison features Aave with 4 random cryptocurrencies. A broader analysis, including full analyst performance data, will soon be available on my site and Telegram. If you find value in seeing several analysts side by side, show your support with a like and subscribe. See you next time.